everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be awesome, so get ready. Are you ready to give your arms a round of applause? My new video dives deep into the anatomy of the human arm. It's more amazing than you think. The human arm is a complex and fascinating structure that allows us to interact with the world in countless ways. Here's a look at its key components. The arm bones, humerus, radius and ulna. Humerus is the long bone in the upper arm. Radius and ulna, the two bones in the forearm. The arm joints, shoulder, elbow, and wrist joints. Shoulder joint allows for a wide range of motion, enabling us to raise our arms overhead. Elbow joint allows for bending and straightening of the arm. Wrist joint enables a wide range of hand movements. The arm muscles, biceps and triceps. Biceps is the primary muscle that flexes the elbow, bends the arm. Triceps is the primary muscle that extends the elbow, straightens the arm. Many other muscles in the upper arm and forearm control various movements of the hand and fingers. Functions of the arm. The human arm's function is beyond movement. First, it is for protection. The arms can be used to protect vital organs, such as the chest and head. Second, it is for communication. We use our arms for gestures, waving, and other forms of nonverbal communication. And third, the human arm serves as sensory input. Our hands, which are part of the arm, contain numerous sensory receptors that provide valuable information about the world around us. So these are the basic parts and components of the human arm. This is a simplified explanation, but it gives you a basic understanding of the incredible complexity of the human arm and its vital role in our perception of the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.